What happens to your brain when you stop watching porn? The truth might shock you. Imagine this. You quit today, and by tomorrow your brain starts to panic. You feel restless, anxious, maybe even depressed. You question, was I really addicted? Yes, because for years your brain has been trained to chase instant dopamine. Those feel-good chemicals you get without doing anything. Just a screen, a click, and boom, pleasure on demand. But here's the thing, real life doesn't work like that. And when you quit porn, your brain feels like it's been cut off from its favorite drug. That's withdrawal, the fogginess, low mood, even physical urges. This is your mind trying to find balance again. But hang on, because this is where the magic begins. Slowly, your dopamine receptors start healing. That constant need for instant pleasure begins to fade. Your brain rewires. You begin to focus better, sleep deeper, and feel more alive. Activities you once ignored, reading, going out, exercising, suddenly feel rewarding. Why? Because your brain is rediscovering natural pleasure. Your motivation rises. Your energy returns. Confidence builds. You start holding eye contact again. You stop hiding behind screens and start engaging with real life. This transformation has a name, neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to reorganize, repair, and rebuild itself. Within 30 to 90 days, most people report massive upgrades, more discipline, emotional stability, even increased testosterone and willpower. The very structure of your brain begins to change. Gray matter increases in areas responsible for focus and decision-making. And here's the kicker. This isn't just about porn. It's about reclaiming your mental clarity, drive, and purpose. Every time you say no to fake pleasure, you're saying yes to your future. NoFap is not just a challenge, it's a return to the real you, the version of you that can lead, build, love, and thrive without artificial stimulation. But be warned, the first few days will test you. Your mind will bargain, beg, and throw urges at you. That's normal. It's the brain detoxing. Push through it, and you'll come out stronger than ever. Remember, you're not weak. You were programmed by an industry that profits off your attention. But now, you're taking it back. Every clean day is a silent revolution. Your future self is already thanking you. So the next time the urge hits, pause, breathe. Remember, it's not about the moment, it's about the mission. The longer you go, the clearer your mind becomes. And one day you'll wake up and realize you don't even crave it anymore. Because you've evolved, you've taken control, you've broken the chain. So if you're on this journey, don't give up, don't relapse, don't settle. You're not just quitting porn, you're rewiring your destiny.